8:30 day trade setup for today. So just starting off on the daily, you can see we had a bit of a rejection bar. This was on Thursday. That was almost a piercing pattern. Then we had a pin bar on Friday, and now we've had a gap down, and we're pulling back up to test whatever level it is at the moment. Now, with the Dow, there are so many levels. In actual fact, I just want to do this on the weekly. The weekly is going to be a little bit, give us a bit of a clearer picture on what the levels actually are. And there's one right where we are now, and then this area here. I'll read them off to you now, so just let's get them drawn in. Okay, so trend is up. There's no doubt about that. There's nothing, you can't really debate that. Trend is up, fairly strong to the upside. We're holding the moving average. We've had a move down. We've bounced up, bounced down, or bounced down, gap down, up, down. So big down, big up, big down, big up, big confusion. Okay, and that's to be expected on a Monday anyway, because we have it's the Asian session, volumes are low. A lot of manipulation happens during this phase. So we need to wait for Europe before we can actually get a clear direction. But you can see the levels that we're looking at the moment to the downside. At the bottom, 25,191 is the first level, 25,385 second level, and obviously you can see we turned here at 25,708. Okay, now there is one more that I think we need to pay attention to, and I want to and that is all the way down here at 24,849. That's a buying area for me. Okay, if we sort of rocket down into this area, I'll be on the 15-minute waiting for the first sign of a reversal, and I'm in with a really tight stop. Okay, because that's a pretty good retest of structure. If you just get down to the hour, because that's what we'll be trading today, you'll see we have quite a bit going on here. So this level here, we can actually just fine tune a little bit. See all these tails here? Okay, so we fine tuned that to 25,352. This one we can also fine tune a little bit, 25,267, and I'm going to add one more in here, which is down here at 25,166. Guys, I hope you can see where I'm picking them up. Okay, I'm not taking these fractals exactly because there are other tails here and there are other tails here, so I'm taking an average between the two. What you could actually do is just take a box on the top of that pin bar, and you could almost sort of do that. Okay, and that would be the zone that you'd be watching. Okay, but anyway, what you're waiting for is to know that you're coming to a level, wait for price action, whatever the price action says, whether it's above, below, or on that level. That's what you're looking for. So long as it doesn't break below sort of that swing low there, okay, which is 25,129. Okay, if you had to close below that, then obviously you need to wait for the next level further down. Anyway, so what has transpired this morning is pretty simple. We've well, let's start with Friday. So going into the close on Friday, we had this buying frenzy, which was low volumes. Okay, so that was just manipulation. Then we gapped down pretty much into the area where the Dow closed, and then we rallied up a bit, and we're coming down. Now, the rally up, if you look at it, has pretty much just formed a trend line here. Okay, so as far as I'm concerned, this is probably going to come back down and find some support in this area or even further down. And as soon as it finds support, that's my opportunity to be long. So just to tongue-tied this morning, just to reconfirm, what we're looking for is a pullback onto structure. That pullback on structure will happen on that higher time frame, so you'll have a pullback into this area. But then I want to see on the lower time frames, which will probably be the 15-minute, is I want to see some price action. What price action do I look for? Those of you who follow me every day will know I'm looking for an engulfing bar, engulfing bars. I'm looking for pin bars. I'm looking for inside bars. There's an inside bar there. Okay, and I'm looking for that price action off structure, off a level. And if you just look on the 15 minutes here, you can see there's a big bit of structure here as well. Okay, so that's pretty much my plan of action. And you can see how busy and how noisy the lines are. So that's another reason why you want to wait for the European Open. And you'll find some direction in the European Open. It's also possible that it actually does sort of gradually slide through all these levels down to the bottom here during the European session and then find some support and bounces. Or alternatively, it could bounce in this area. It just depends what happens with Europe today. Okay, so that's pretty much my plan. Looking for longs and waiting at one of these levels to see what transpires before jumping in. Hope it helps, and we'll catch you later. Cheers for now.